Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day. My name is Sama Farisi bin Syed Daud and I am 13 and I am from Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Bukit Jambul. Today I'll be showing to you guys about my website. It's about gaming. So let's start. My experience playing Valorant and Mobile Legends. I've been playing Mobile Legends since 2019. Frequently, I play it with my friends. I would say this game is more interesting to play because it has many modes to play in. Valorant is a game that I play on my own and sometimes with my friend. And this game is fun. It has 5 versus 5 battle mode and more. Click the title below to know more. So as you see, I've made two buttons to my games and the home button that leads to here and feedback that I'll show at the end of the video. So let's start with Mobile Legends button first. So when I click, it shows this and let me read it. As I mentioned, I have been playing Mobile Legends for a long time now. There are many things that I did in that game and also some favorite heroes. I will be talking at the passage below. But if you want to know more about this game, please do visit the official website below. So I've created the link that leads us to the Mobile Legends official website. There it is. So let's go back to our website. So I explained about my favorite hero here. I don't only have one favorite hero. It's hard to choose. However, I will share with you three of my top favorite heroes. First one is Diroth and some explanation about him. Second one Layla, some explanation about this character. And the third one Mia and some explanation. So I made a conclusion and here's my profile about my MLBB game. So here I made a link that can see some tutorial and gameplay about MLBB. So I'm gonna just click on this link. So as you can see, here's some a gameplay that I did. Let's go back to our website. So here I made a button to go to the Valorant page. We can do this to go to the Valorant gaming page, or we can just do it manually from go to home and go to this button Valorant home. But I'm gonna show you how to do this first. So I click on here. So I wrote this. You all basically know this game right now, but if you don't know, let me tell you a little about this game. This game is basically a 5 versus 5 game and we must plan a spike or defuse spike to win. And there are more 5 mode to play. To know more, click the official website below. So I've made also this link to go to the official Valorant website. There it is. So let's go back to our web. Then so here I'm going to explain my experience playing Valorant. And let's start with my favorite hero. I explained about my favorite hero Yoru. Second is Jet. Third one is Chamber. And some explanation about the characters. And I also do this in case of one of you click the Valorant button first like this. Yeah, so if you click the Valorant first, you can just straight away go to Mobile Legends page, or you can do it as I said, manually go home. So below the Valorant page, I've made some feedback for you. So you can just put all of your feedback here. Let's say just like this and like this, and my feedback. Say let's say I did. Then I click to submit. Yeah, before that I make sure this thank you for submitting. No notification will be sent. So I click submit. There's no notification will be sent. But if I did not do anything, register anything first, then it will just say this please fill out. So when you're done or you just don't want to do some feedback, you can just click the button home. And every page has this home button. Thank you for your date of listening today. Thank you.